Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another furniture flip. So I found this little vintage end table at my local thrift store. It was only $5, so I picked it up. It's in fairly good condition. It does have a few little issues. The veneer on the tabletop is chipped off a bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it because it's solid wood underneath. And the back panel is a bit swelled out. So I'm just going to use wood glue. I'm just putting it on quite liberally, and I'm letting it just soak down into that crack and making sure there's just enough down in there. Then I'm going to use this furniture clamp and clamp down the edges to just pull that in so the wood glue will pull it in there and hold really well. And then I'm just going over top of that and applying a little bit more wood glue just to fill in any of the cracks. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm using a little chisel to chisel away at this veneer that's coming off. Some of it came off pretty easily, and then some of it did not come off very well. So I ended up using my hand orbital sander, and with the very edge of it just sanding away the veneer, and it came off really easily. I'm just giving this drawer a little sanding and cleaning it up. I'm using this dark walnut stain, and I'm just staining the drawer, and did a couple coats of that, and it just really freshened up the drawer and made it look good as new. So I sanded down these legs and cleaned them up, and I also stained them using that dark walnut stain. So after giving this piece a thorough cleaning, I spray it down with some cleaner, just to remove any remaining dust or any dirt and grime. So it's all prepped and ready for painting. Today I'm going to be using rust-oleum chalk paint in this gorgeous charcoal color. If you've been following my channel, you may have noticed I've used this color for a couple other pieces. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit thick, so I do have to add some water occasionally, but it goes on really well and it has really good coverage. I just love how rich this color is, and it's just so pretty. I just can't get enough of it. So I applied 2 coats of the paint, and lastly I'm using this water-based polyurethane to finish sealing the piece. So just a quick reminder, here's what the end table looked like before, and here it is now.